Yes, bro, that was sick. I knew that you could do that.
That was like the best trick I've ever done. I'm so stoked.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys.
Who are you?
Where'd you get that jersey from?
Well, my name's Blake Samson, and I'm the new GMBN presenter.
No
just
way.
like you guys.
Hang on, let's not be too hasty. You sure you're up to the job? I mean, can you do one-handers?
Maybe.
Let's follow you down this trail. Come on, show us what you got.
That's right. Go on. Oh. Oh.
All right, so you can definitely ride. Let's find out some more about you.
Hi, my name's Blake Samson. Born in Zimbabwe, moved to England, 14 years ago, 15 years. I started at a young age BMX racing and then came to England, found the love for mountain biking. And I've been pro now for just over 10 years. And I'm super stoked to have the opportunity to ride on the channel and give you some airtime. So my career in mountain biking has been built up on dirt jumping, slopestyle. I've done a number of events, competitions, and I'm super stoked to bring that to the channel and give you some jumps, some tricks, some backflips. You've just seen, there's so much more to come up. So if you want to see more fun aerial maneuvers, tricks, click here to subscribe and you'll get to see more of that. Click up here for my first ever video. Click down here for my top 10 New Year's resolutions. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any troubles jumping, doing tricks. If you want to learn something, leave it in the comments below.